Are you a white man or a black man?
I'm a black man.
What is the color of your skin?
It is white, yellow, white.
What is the color of your skin?
Black.
What is your complexion?
Black, I don't know. Brown or black, I don't know.
Come again?
Brown or black.
I give up.
Oh yes.
It's not like I did.
Are you a white man or a black man?
And the term called we tie.
You are a black man, eh? And then the color of your skin is?
Good black.
And the complexion?
Complexion. What is a complexion?
Are you a white man or a black woman?
Black woman.
What is the color of your skin?
White.
And then the complexion?
And yaziki.
Are you a white man or black man?
A brown man.
Okay. What is the color of your skin?
Brown.
What is the color of your skin? What is the color of your skin?
I'm a coffee color.
What is your complexion?
My complexion is black.
Can you name other 5 complexions?
Yeah, I said black, Indian, colored, white. Yeah.
Yo.